Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 quart of high-quality heavy cream, preferably pasteurized, not ultra-pasteurized. Make sure your cream is very cold, ideally around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for proper churning. You can use a stand mixer, a food processor, or even a simple jar for the process. Having everything ready makes the butter-making journey smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to the exciting part, churning. Pour your cold, heavy cream into your chosen container. Start whipping on medium-high speed. Initially, it will become whipped cream, but don't stop there. Keep going, and you'll notice the cream suddenly separate into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. This transformation usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your method and cream temperature. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support truly helps the channel. On another note, while your kitchen might smell amazing from fresh butter, what about your car? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's a quick way to keep things fresh. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your butter has separated, it's time to wash it. First, carefully drain the buttermilk. You can save this for baking or drinking. Next, add ice-cold water to your butter and knead it. This step is vital for removing any residual buttermilk, which can cause your butter to spoil quickly. Repeat the washing and kneading process until the water runs completely clear. Finally, you can add salt to taste, about 1/4 teaspoon per stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.